Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in the right tools and immediate habits. Equip a weapon that lets you punish from mid-range and switch when necessary. Practice dash cancel and slide to keep momentum and preserve health. This is how you stay in control. Once done, focus the first arenas on learning attack windows so you can convert safe damage into meter. Make sure to bait one heavy attack per enemy type so you consistently charge your resources and avoid wasting openings. You now intensify execution and manage tempo. Chain glory kills, parries, and weapon swaps to keep ammo and meter topped while remaining aggressive. While moving, exploit level geometry. Drop to ledges or loop around hazards to isolate foes and reset enemy focus. Once you spot a heavy enemy, prioritize a rail cannon punish and follow with a fast melee to reclaim meter. Make sure to adapt rotations based on crowd density. You arrive at the end game with limited mistakes left. Conserve mobility and reserve 1 or 2 invulnerability frames for boss final attacks. Once done, bait telegraphed explosives and counter hard. Use burst weapons to strip shields quickly, then close for glory kills. Make sure to pause and reassess when low on health. Play conservatively, pick safe angles, and avoid unnecessary risk. If things keep failing, reset to the prior checkpoint and drill that exact phase until your timing is consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.